is phase 1 of creating my kitchen dining area. So, you must be wondering, what is in the box? One way to find out. Here are the legs. Anyone need foam? This is an ottoman slash bench, but I'm planning to turn this into a proper dining bench that I will push up against the wall. And the best thing about this is that there is storage space within the bench. I knew that I wanted something that had a leather look to it. I wanted ample storage space, because even though this apartment is bigger, I only have one closet. Every item that I purchase, I go in with the mindset of how can I store my things in a way that does not look cluttered and in a way that is complementary to the apartment. Yeah, that's nice. Is there a lot of storage in there? Okay, all right. I could put extra linens in here. I can put board games. I probably will put my blow-up air mattress in here. And when you close it, what is it? This is nice. Okay, let's add the legs. You know, I know they provided a little wrench to help me tighten it, but sometimes I just find it easier to use my hands. Except for this part, of course. Okay, that is tight. That is tight. Let's do it to the other one. Boop, 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 boop. I always fantasize about being in a financial position to pay that extra $200 or whatever it is for them to assemble the furniture. But you know, I'm not there yet in life. What do you guys do? Do you guys pay for that additional cost for someone to build your furniture for you? Or do you roll up your sleeves and do it yourself? And do you do it yourself because you want to? Or because you're like me and you don't want to pay that extra money? Okay, let's keep going. Today it was 55 and sunny in New York. I think us buying the tulips in the last video really kickstarted the spring. Didn't Puxatawny Phil predict that it was going to be an early spring? Also, why do we still do that? I mean, Groundhog's Day is a great movie, but since when did we put our faith in the weather to a rodent animal? All right, one more. The last leg of the journey of assembling this bench. All right, let's flip her over. Smoothly. Pro tip, if you are moving furniture by yourself, put a towel underneath the legs on one side so that when you drag it across the floor, it doesn't damage the furniture and it does not damage the floor. So this is my twin blow-up air mattress. Oh my gosh, it's like magic. Wow. It really is the little things in life. Seeing that I don't have an entryway, I'm going to attempt to create my own entryway space To start it off, I ordered some hooks off of Amazon. I don't have a coat closet, but I figured I could have 1 or 2 coats hanging near the door to serve that purpose. I got these circular, well, this is just a box. I'll open it. Here you can see what it looks like. They're just circular hooks I will mount on the wall. I chose white because I wanted something that would go flush against the wall, something that kind of blends in with the surrounding. I'm not trying to make a statement with these hooks. I wanted them to be very functional. Obviously, I did try to choose something that I thought was aesthetically pleasing, of course. But even just to hang up my jacket when I walk in, I think will make me feel more sense of ownership of this apartment. Enough of that. I'm going to install these. Okay. Here, push down. Okay. Now, it technically says to let it rest or sit against the wall for 24 hours, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. Nice. We're back. We have another package. I also just want to chime in here and say that I do think that Amazon is so convenient and so helpful for people who are busy with their personal lives and work lives and everything combined to get the things that you need and to have it delivered to your place when you need it. But when I'm looking on Facebook Marketplace and I see tables and carpets, the biggest task is figuring out how to get it, how to carry it, and also finding the time to go to Brooklyn or go to Queens or go across town and then figuring out how to bring it back here. I do think that people should go out and shop at their local shops and their antique stores and their thrift stores. I am so for it. Let me know what you think. I think we all strive to do better, but right now, Amazon is just helping me do what I want to do in a way that doesn't absolutely destroy me. Physically and emotionally. Anyways, thank you for listening to that spiel. In this box, I bought new shower liners and a new shower curtain. Nothing crazy. I'm not a huge fan of patterned shower curtains. To me, it can very quickly look tacky. I got plain white waffle that has a little bit more of texture and character. Here we go. Shower curtain liner. The quickest way to clean or elevate your bathroom is to change your curtain liner. There is nothing like a moldy, disgusting curtain liner. We've all seen it, whether it's your own or whether you're at a friend's or partner's place and you notice that they have like a moldy, mildewy, disgusting shower liner. Just a quick swap, you know, these don't cost much and they really do make a world of difference. Okay, we have shower liner. Oh, this looks nice. Ooh, soft. So this is also 72 inches by 96 inches. Oh. It comes with its own hooks, but I think I'm just gonna keep the ones that I currently have, which are metal, and I think that looks better. Those are just white plastic. Ooh, very nice. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. You see that at the bottom? It's like pink and gross looking. I've washed this 3 times. I washed it 3 times to try to get that out, and it's not coming out. I think it's just encrusted in there. So, but time for it to go. Everyone say bye. Similarly as I did in the living room, I wanted to get longer curtains to make the room feel bigger. So I moved up the curtain rod and I ordered curtains that would just meet the floor of the bathroom.
So when it's all put together, it will have hopefully more of an elegant look and make the room look taller.
What do you guys think? Do you like it? Be honest, please. Brutal honesty. All right, I'm gonna make it a wide lens. Maybe it'll look better in the daylight.
After I showered the next morning, I realized that it was the wrinkles that was making me dislike the curtain, so I took out my steamer and I started to steam the curtain. And then it fell, but that's okay. I retensioned and kept steaming, and I think I'm happy with it now.
Hello. So this is an impromptu video. I just got a package in the mail and I don't recall ordering anything, so I'm wondering if it's a gift. Let's see what's in this mystery bag. It's like wrapped in like brown paper. What is this? This is toy. Thank you, Rana Home. I know what this is. This is my Etsy package that I ordered. That's embarrassing. This is the back paneling for my kitchen bench. Ooh, nice. This will be installed above the bench, flush against the wall. Apparently, this will be able to hold it up, but here's a closer look. It's like a rust orange fabric upholstered. Okay. It looks nice. Wow. The pieces are slowly falling into place. I am so embarrassed to say that I still have not chosen a carpet. I'm 95% sure I know which one I want to get. It is bolder than what I thought I would want. So life update, next week is my birthday. I am turning 30 years old, which is a little scary, but I think I'm mainly excited for this next chapter in life. I decided to celebrate by going to the Dominican Republic, and I am going to a surf school for 5 days. And what that means is that I'm going to be waking up at 6:45 every morning, going out to the ocean and learning how to stand on a surfboard. So it might take a little while for my next video to come out, but if you're wondering where I am, know that I am attempting to surf in the Dominican Republic. I probably will watch Blue Crush before I leave, and I will be listening to the Beach Boys to mentally prep myself. Before I sign off, I just want to say thank you so much for being here. Thank you for supporting my channel. It really means so much to me. I see all of your comments. I see all of your engagement. I see you sharing your stories and giving your feedback on what I'm doing, and I take everything that you're saying to heart, and I just can't thank you enough for being here. And if you do like this channel and you haven't already, please subscribe, please like the videos, comment below. Any and all engagement shows YouTube that you're happy to be here, and it shows YouTube that other people might also be interested in this video, and it will push it out to other beautiful folks such as yourself. Let's build this community. Let's help me through this journey of decorating this apartment. I mean, she's looking pretty good. Not too bad, but we have long ways to go. So thank you for being here. I can't wait to see you guys next time. I'll be a little tan. Who knows, maybe I'll have a little more arm muscle. And we're gonna get back to work. But for now, au revoir, be well, stay well, and I love you all. Bye.